gym. I'm going to do our ProMix deep load. My little funnel. And I'm gonna put my ProMix. I will never not love the fact that it has a stainless steel scooper instead of a plastic one. So I'm gonna take one full scoop and dump it in. It got stuck. That's stuck. This blood orange flavor is literally my favorite. Okay, I have a lot of stuff to carry. I'm actually gonna take banana. Bag is packed. On our active, set. We're ready to rock and roll. And we just got to the gym, and it's time to talk about my mindful training series. I had been experiencing chronic illness the last year, and I had some pretty wild kidney stuff, urinary tract stuff, and I'm on the other side. I'm feeling a lot better. I'm feeling healed. I'm feeling regulated, and it's time to get back in the gym. I've been strength training for over 12 years, and with all of this experience, like this healing work that I'm doing on my subconscious mind, I am finally feeling in my authenticity. I'm finally feeling worthy to create a plan for myself to achieve my dream body, because that's something that I've always wanted. I've always wanted to achieve my peak and most fit, healthy, but sustainable physique, while still maintaining my mental health and my emotional health. And that's holistic: mind, it's body, it's spirit. I want all three in one. I should call it my mind, body, soul recomp. But I think it's a really beautiful dance of masculine, healed masculine energy and divine feminine energy. And I know that may sound a little woo-woo. Don't take a step back. Hear me out. Here is what the healed masculine energy is, and here is what the divine feminine energy is. And the fusion between the two is literally like yin and yang, okay? And everyone has masculine energy and everyone has feminine energy. Every spirit having a human experience has a masculine and a feminine energy. And when those two are dancing in unison, that is the magic. And I feel this mindful series is me getting into that balance. So I think in the past, I've been very much so in my wounded masculine energy. This is wounded masculine energy. Overworking, overexerting, leaving me burnt out, and that would get in the way of my consistency, because I wanted to be perfect. I wanted to be just like the girls on Instagram. But Instagram, remember you guys, is a highlight reel. You don't know what those girls are actually eating. You don't know if they're actually restricting. They're posting the most perfect parts of their life. And sometimes there's not always truth behind it, but sometimes there is. And I think it's easy to sift out the difference when you're in touch with your own intuition. And there was a point in my life where I was in my wounded feminine, and this is what this looked like. So both of the two have similar qualities, wounded and unhealed, whereas I'm really feeling like I'm stepping into my healed masculine energy and my divine feminine energy. And this is what the two are. And when you're in your healed masculine energy, you're able to mindfully move. You're able to tap into your intuition and see, how can I push myself today? And that should be the question. Is this healing for me? And if it is, how can I push myself today? Because there's a really fine line between knowing when to push yourself and knowing when you can kind of push through and level up, and overexerting yourself, which leads to burnout. There's such a fine dance between the two. And with the divine feminine energy, that allows you to really tap into your mind to body connection. Is this feeling like it's overexerting? Is this feeling good? Is this feeling like a challenge? And if I'm feeling overexerted, there's no ego. I'm gonna go down and weight, and I'm gonna work my way up. For example, I used to be a major ego lifter. If I went to the gym and I wasn't able to squat a plate, I would actually tear myself down, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm not strong enough. I'm not fit enough. The girl squatting next to me who's actually squatting a plate is way stronger than me. Ugh, I feel so unworthy. I feel so not seen. I feel so weak, so in my ego, so in my wounded feminine, so in my unhealed masculine. And now it doesn't matter who's around me. It doesn't matter what I consume on social media. It's all about what are my goals and how do I feel that day. So mindful training is just that. Being in tune with your body, being in tune with your mind, and them dancing together in unison. So in my lifts the last 3 weeks, and I actually want to get a journal for this moving forward. I'm going to get a gym journal. Before my workouts, I remind myself, what are my goals? My goal is a mind, body, spirit recomposition. And I'm going to talk about in the next vlog what that looks like, how I put that together as a certified holistic health coach. My pre-workout is my ProMix D-Bloat, along with remembering my goals and setting an intention for this workout. So my goal, mind, body, soul recomposition. My intention for this workout, knowing that I'm in my luteal phase, my intention is just to 1, do my best. 2, if I feel good, I'm going to increase my weight. So today, I'm literally just gonna try my best. I hope all of that made sense. Okay, let's go. You guys, this is like a real live mind-body connection thing where it's like I'm going for my strength set. So I'm gonna double my weight and I'm kind of like, I don't really want to do it. I feel good, I have the energy, so I'm like, wait, is my mind in the way or is my body just not feeling it? It's my mind that's getting in the way, so I'm gonna fucking go for it. Your soul always knows, but it's your mind that can get in the way sometimes. post-workout reflection. So I actually wrote this down in my notes. When you go to the gym with a plan and no expectations, just the intention to try your best, it's likely you'll surprise yourself, literally like I did today. So with my pendulum squats, obviously my intention was that I'm gonna do my best, but I've always been a little too hyper aware of my luteal phase, my menstrual phase, and the what if in my brain that always comes to surface and bubbles up is, what if I don't feel good later? What if I want to do X, Y, and Z and I'm too tired? And I always kind of like make these excuses for myself that would happen before when I wasn't nourishing my mind, body, and my soul. And I need to remind myself that I am nourishing my mind, body, and soul now. So I'm kind of healing that wounded mindset of mine around the gym, because it really gets in my way of challenging myself, or it has in the past. I've literally working through it with flying colors lately. So turn this on. Oh my god, my hubby's here. I don't know why. I was like, there's a car coming, that's probably him. What are you doing? Hi. Okay, I don't remember what I was saying, but I just feel like in the past I wasn't nourishing myself holistically, nor was I in my authenticity. I was really just low self-worth and insecure. But now, after getting my holistic health coach certification, doing the work and being consistent with the work, I truly feel like transformed, and like I'm thriving despite other circumstances. Like, by no means does this mean that I'm never triggered or that I don't face challenges, that I'm perfect. Like, hell no. I'm just genuinely feeling more grounded, more healed, more present, more me, and I really owe that to myself and being consistent with my To Be Magnetic work, and just like taking intentional action with what I want and what I feel my purpose is, and just like getting in the best shape of my life, doing it in a way that feels good and feels devoted and feels right for me, because that's gonna look different for everybody. And once you realize that everyone is different, having this new journey of mine, this new chapter of mine, this new season of mine be rooted in something that's not solely physical but holistic, it's mind, body, and spirit, it just feels so good and it feels so right. The fact that I've healed my relationship with the gym and I'm so excited to go and I'm so intentional with my lifts, and that I've healed my relationship with food, and like restriction is not what equals fat loss. And like once you've healed mind, body, soul, and you're taking intentional action every single day, like you just simply glow from the inside out, and everything just continues happening for you and never to you. So it's just this like deeply rooted understanding and level of awareness, and like this just divine knowing. It feels so good to be, literally to be awake. Oh, did you get a fish?